Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I want to be sharing my skincare routine with you all, which has been incredibly effective. And I will mainly be focusing on Nature Derma with natural Biome-Boost solution and the products I have been using from past few weeks. Nature Derma with natural Biome-Boost solution is one of its kind in India. It is a barrier boosting active skincare which is powered by the combination of potent actives and unique microbiome balancing. Natural Biome-Boost solution helps in strengthening your skin's barrier with every use, and the brand aims at giving you healthy skin biome which helps in giving you balanced and healthier skin. And guys, there are other products which are available in the market which will give you quick results, but that is not going to be good for your skin's biome, because in longer run it is really going to give you unhealthy skin. Now, skin is the largest organ on the human body and it is home to millions of bacteria, fungi and viruses which compose of the skin microbiota. So a healthy or balanced skin microbiome is going to be like a diverse rainforest in which the more strain coexist together, the more harmonized and balanced your skin is going to be. So now let me talk about what are Nature Derma's products that I have gotten my hands on and how I use them. So first of all guys, I start my skincare routine first using a mild cleanser. After that I move on to serum, and I am using this Nature Derma 10% vitamin C serum with natural Biome-Boost solution. Now this helps in fading away the blemishes that I have on the face. It helps in giving me even skin tone and also helps in fading away the dark spots that I have on the face. Not only that guys, it also helps in strengthening and protecting the skin's natural biome. It comes with natural Biome-Boost solution which not only helps in me in giving the desired results but also helps in protecting my skin. And after using it regularly for a few weeks, you guys will be able to see your dark spots, your blemishes, pigmentation going away and your skin becoming better and glowing. It is composed of 10% vitamin C which helps in fading away the dark spots. It is gonna work on your blemishes, pigmentation, and it also has persimmon oil which helps in protecting your skin against harmful sun rays and gives you beautiful and glowing skin. After that guys, I move on to using Nature Derma 1% natural Biome-Boost moisturizer which has Subligana and it also has ashwagandha. Now this helps in fading away the dark spots that you have on the face, and the best part is guys, it works on your whiteheads and blackheads. Now first time I've gotten my hands on the solution which also helps in working on my clogged pores, because that has been a problem since a while, and believe me, it is gonna give you the desired results. The consistency is very lightweight, quick absorbing formula which is gonna be ideal for any season. It has ashwagandha guys. Ashwagandha has skin calming properties which also helps in fading away the dark spots and the pigmentation that your skin has. This one also composed of natural Biome-Boost which helps in protecting your skin's natural barrier, thus giving you the desired results. It also has Subligana which helps in fading away the whiteheads and the blackheads that you have on the face and will also work on your clogged pores. I'll tell you how I use it. In the morning and in the evening I apply it after the serum. Again, it is a very lightweight formula, gets quickly absorbed in your skin, giving you beautiful, hydrated and moisturized skin. Also, the best part is gonna be it has no parabens, no sulfates, no silicone, no artificial dyes or fragrance. So there is nothing to be worried about. I'm gonna be sticking to this skincare for a long period of time, because not only it helps me in giving beautiful and glowing skin but also helps in protecting it. So the link of the products are going to be in the description box below. I highly recommend you guys to go and check it out. And yeah, with that we are going to be wrapping up today's video. I really hope that you find this one helpful, and I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.